and pits and obstacles and sandcastles to crush. And dump it in. Who will make it to the other side and be a champion? Oh, he's destroying the trucks. I can't believe it. Next up is Crush Station. What? He's doing backflips. Oh no, the constrictor's got sharp wings. All right, you guys, the final contestant is El Toro Loco. He's goring him with his horns. My goodness, look at this. Oh, wow, this is incredible. We've got Big Tonka. We've got a Tonka front loader, a Tonka dozer, a Tonka trencher, El Toro Loco, crustacean, the dragon, rattlesnakes, another snake, a giant shovel. We've got an Axel, the best thing of all. Welcome to the show, you guys. We are at the beach. We got all of our trucks here, just about, well, about half of them. And we are gonna make an awesome monster truck arena. So Axel, can you help me plan out the monster truck arena right now? Come on, let's do it. All right, Axel, so this is gonna be our starting line, okay? Now we have a lot of options, right, bro? We can make ramps, right? And pits, crushing pits, and obstacles, and sandcastles to crush. And that's the ending line? Yeah. Okay, well, we'll see. Maybe we'll want to make it a little bit longer than that. What do you think? What do you want first? You want a giant pit or a ramp?
Hardest things last. Easiest thing first.
Okay, so what's the easiest thing? The easiest thing, are we gonna crush some of the trucks? Maybe have like a construction truck crushing area where we line up all the construction trucks and have the monster trucks drive over and whoosh, 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 and crush them. All right, you guys, so first we're gonna dig out the giant truck pit.
And
come on.
we have to get over the trucks without the trucks
popping their tires?
Yeah.
Okay, or grabbing them and pulling them down. So which truck are you gonna use to start digging? What do you want to use?
My truck is a shovel.
You want to use a shovel? Okay, all right, Axel's gonna use a shovel. The shovel is a great tool for digging in the sand, you guys. And I'm gonna use, of course, my favorite beach digging truck, this giant Tonka here. It's got a massive shovel on the front. We're gonna get to work. Let's dig that trench. All right, you guys, our truck pit is finished. All these guys have their buckets facing towards the monster trucks, like, get back, we're gonna push you forward. And then Axel's got Trenchy right there with his hoe. And then at the very top is the excavator, and he's just gonna be like, and try to grab them as they go across, right? Oh, there you go. Yeah, there you go. All right, you guys, so after the giant truck pile, we're gonna go a little bit down, make a little detour too. The water right here, it's actually gonna go at an angle. So this section we're gonna dig out, it's gonna be a giant pool of water.
In 1 second.
And what? And Axel's got another idea, you guys.
They also have to get down here without touching the fire.
Oh, okay, Axel's gonna build a pretend fire right here, you guys. And they're gonna have to get past the flaming fire. Okay, you build the fire and I'll start digging the hole out, okay? All right, let's do this. Oh no, it's crashing. Look at that, bro, it's crashing. That's called a landslide. All right, so Axel is finished with his fire right here. So we're gonna have to get past the fire and they're gonna have to go down inside of the water and mud pit. All right, you guys, so now we're working on a really cool pit that was Axel's idea. I'm gonna be doing the ramp for over the pit. And Axel's getting all the sticks and stuff for the fire. All right, there you go. Okay, so all these sticks, we're gonna make into a giant bonfire that's gonna go in this pit right here, you guys. We're gonna have to ramp over the fire. All right, you guys, so we got all the sticks in Big Tonka here. Back it up and dump it into the giant fire pit. All right, there you go. And dump it in. Nice. That'll be an epic giant bonfire. We'll just pretend like it's on fire. The flames are so high and the monster trucks have to jump through it, right? All right, you guys, so this is the last part of the monster truck arena. The monster trucks are gonna go up this ramp and try to jump over. And if they fall down, oh no, what's gonna happen? The snakes are gonna get them. So we have a constricting snake here.
They're on the same, the snakes are on the same
Snakes
team.
are on the same
This one's
team.
gonna constrict, that one's gonna strike.
This one's going to strike with venom and pop their tires, right? They have to make it over the ramp to the other side. And the other side is the finish line, right? All right, you guys. So now we have our contestants. There is the Destroyer, Crustacean. There is Shark Reek and El Toro Loco. They are going to go through the monster truck arena. Who will make it to the other side and be a champion? I don't know. You guys have to watch to find out. So, the first contestant is Destroyer. All right, Destroyer. Are you ready? Do you think you can make it through the monster truck arena?
I'm a destroyer. I think I can destroy them.
Did you see those snakes? They look pretty tough, huh?
I'll destroy them.
We'll see. We'll see. All right, Destroyer. Ready to go in 3, 2, 1, go! He's going through the truck pit. Oh, he's destroying the trucks. I can't believe this. Look at that. He's throwing them all out. What in the world is happening? This is madness. Not a single one. And what? Oh my goodness, the excavator's way over there. Now he's going through the pit of water. Oh no, he's sinking. The baby monster, look out for the baby monster. He made it out. He made it out, folks. He's going over the fire pit. He bounced. Oh no, he's in the fire. Is he gonna burn? He made it out. I can't believe it. This is madness. He's going up the ramp for the pit of snakes. He's going. Oh, he landed. Oh no, he's slipping. He's slipping. He's slipping.
Destroy!
Oh, the rattlesnake's up there. He's destroyed the snakes and he's made it to the other side. Destroyer is the first champion. All right, you guys, so Destroyer worked so hard, he's gonna cool off in the water. There you go, Destroyer. You cool off there while the other monster trucks try to make it.
B.
Where?
B.
Oh my gosh, you guys, Axel's a bee crawling on him.
Get him off. Get him
Don't hurt him, we don't want to hurt him. There you go, fly away, bee. Okay, all right, next up is Crustacean. Look at those pinchers. Man, those could do some damage. What do you think? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! He's going through the truck. They've got him pinned. He's pinching them, I can't believe it. Now he's going up the excavator. He's got it, oh, he's pinched. Oh, look, he was pinching onto his bucket. He's made it past the excavator. Oh, this will be no trouble at all. He's used to the water. Look out for the baby monster. Look out. He's coming up the fire ramp now. He made it over the ramp. Oh, he's in the bucket. No, he's down in the fire. Oh, no. Will he be lobster dinner? He's cooking. He's cooking. Oh, no. Oh, lobster dinner sounds good, actually. Are you hungry?
Lobster dinner.
I'm hungry. All right, Crustacean. Well, your lobster dinner now. Here, have a bite. Yummy. So Crustacean was not the champion. He was lobster dinner. All right, you guys. So Shark Reek is next. He's got his teeth bared. Arr. Ready, Shark Reek? 1, 2, 3, go. He's going in the pit of water. It's a good thing he's a shark. Made it out with no trouble. Now he's going for the fire. What? He's doing backflips. I can't believe it. Made it through the trucks. Oh, he's gonna make it for sure now. And he's going up the snake ramp. Oh no, his wheels broke. The snake's got him. Oh no. Oh no, the constrictor's got Shark Reek. Oh, and this rattlesnake's going in for the bite. Oh, he's popping his tires. Oh no, this is terrible. They're swallowing him whole. Shark Reek is a goner. He's snake dinner. Shark Reek is not the champion.
We can have Shark Reek too.
Shark Creek soup, yeah. You guys, Shark Creek broke. I was just going up the ramp right there and the wheels just broke right off. Well, that is not good. Oh, dude, my wheels fell off, man. Oh, I'll have to get some new wheels. All right, you guys, the final contestant is El Toro Loco. Are you ready, El Toro Loco? Let's see you do it.
I'm ready.
Woo! Oh. He's so ready, he's doing flips. All right, 3, 2, 1, go! He's going through the trucks. He's scoring them with his horns. My goodness, look at this. Oh, just knocked that excavator over like that. Going through the water. Oh no, can the bull swim? Can the bull swim? That loco bull, that crazy bull can't swim, you guys. He's stuck. He's stuck. No, wait, does he make it? He's gonna make it. He made it. He's going up the fire ramp, over the fire. Oh, he landed in the bucket. He's slipping back in it. Oh, he's out. He's coming over the snake and they're both trying to get him. Oh, he's throwing him in his horns. The snakes are defeated and El Toro Loco joins the destroyer for the championship. They both made it. Wow, this is incredible. My voice is starting to go out from yelling so much. Can you believe it, Axel? Can you believe it? This is so crazy. Hey, Axel, you want to go swim now? Okay, come on. All right, you guys, now we're going to go swimming. That was so much fun. I love making monster truck videos.
Once with the camera, let's play.
Some more? 1, 2, 3, 4, I declare the more. Axel's pretty good at that work. I want to play a tickle war. Tickle. Tickle war. Daddy wins.
What?
So Axel's got the crocodile, and I have the stingray here, manta ray, if I don't know exactly what it is. I'm not sure about all those things. But we're gonna go out to the water. All right. Oh, you gonna push it? Okay. All right. I'm pushing Axel out to sea. Bye, Axel. All right, you guys. That was so much fun. You guys get out. And use your imagination to find creative ways to live your life. Okay, pushing you again. And love everyone around you. No matter what you have, no matter where you are, you can have fun just like you see us doing on almost all of our episodes. Some of the episodes you should never do what we were doing. But in these episodes where we just play with our monster truck, you can do just what we're doing and have fun with it too. So next time you go to the beach, bring your trucks and monster trucks, or ask your parents if you can, and I'm sure you'll have lots of fun. That's you? Okay. And if you can't go to the beach, just play in your sandbox. If you have a sandbox, or just find something to make into a monster truck arena. If you have monster trucks, it's so much fun. We'll see you later. Bye!